Top MNC companies like Amazon, Netflix, Airbnb, TCS, IBM, and lot more are using this technology. Are you looking for jobs in these companies as solution architect associate, cloud developer, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, or a cloud consultant? Let's talk about AWS, Amazon Web Services. This course covers 30 plus instances, which includes EC2, VPCs, S3, Lambda, autoscaling, and lot more with 100% lab. And you'll also get a lifetime free console access. This is a 1.5 month course with 1.5 hour of class on a daily basis, which includes 40 minutes of theoretical session and 40 minutes of lab session with 100% real-time scenario-based labs and discussion. We will also give you joining kit, which includes complete PPT, Linux ebooks, Solution Architect Associate official ebook, around 500 plus interview question, and 8 exam preparation question bank. We will also assist you with resume building, Naukri profile building, and LinkedIn profile building. And every week, we make sure to provide you with 2 interviews. Hi, myself Vishnu, MD of Network Rhinos. For more information, follow us.